Ngainga whapea Faletua no whaalo ma le ekalesia. Mo le wala awina lo nei tamata. Wa tatou whatase le nei afiafi. Talo falava and greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very honored to be here this evening. You know, this time of the year, I wish it was an all year round thing because Christmas just brings the best out of people. The love, the peace and joy, and so much happiness, sorry. So today, I'd like to dedicate this song to all of you who are here, and especially our people who are listening on the radio station, Radio Samoa. Ia tō maua se kirisi masi fia matau Salome. Wishing you all the best and joyous Christmas regardless what's happened in our beloved Samoa. And may you all find a beautiful 2010 filled with joy, love, and endless blessings from the man upstairs. Ai wale nei whamoe moe e sona veinga. Ia whaafo ia tui lawa whiu o le e ana. Le popa ia nai loa le pupula na whanawai o Yesu mo i tātou. Na whaingata leleinga mo tangata na whaialena e Yesu mo i tātou. Le wha moe lea ole oli na whanau mai le na tai au fo ifo atuia the stars are brightly shining. It is a night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Sit fall on your knees. Oh, here is here the angels' voices. Oh, night divine. Paia.